Did you know one woman brought down the most powerful oil company in America using nothing but a typewriter and her courage? Ida Tarbell spent 5 years secretly investigating John Rockefeller's Standard Oil monopoly from a tiny, cramped office. While others looked the other way, she chose to dig deeper into the corruption destroying thousands of small businesses. Rockefeller controlled 90% of America's oil by using illegal railroad deals, crushing competitors with unfair prices, and even corporate spying. He destroyed 3,000 independent oil companies while charging families inflated prices for basic needs. Tarbell faced death threats, lawsuits, and attacks calling her a hysterical woman. The pressure was enormous. She could have given up and stayed safe. Instead, she kept working, obtaining secret corporate documents that proved Rockefeller bribed officials and used violence against competitors. Her 19-part investigation became the most influential journalism in American history. The Supreme Court broke Standard Oil into 34 companies in 1911. Tarbell became the first woman in the Journalism Hall of Fame and inspired countless future reporters. Sometimes doing what's right changes everything.